In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export leads from Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Freshsales Suite account to access the export tools for your leads and other CRM data. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Freshsales workspace and that your user role has permission to view account level settings and data exports. If you don't see the options I mention, your admin may need to grant you access. Let's start on the Activities dashboard in Freshsales Suite. This is a familiar home base that gives you a quick snapshot of what's going on across your CRM. Beginning here helps ensure the top navigation and the settings menu are loaded and visible. Give the page a moment to fully render if your connection is slow. From the dashboard, click the settings icon. You'll typically find this as a gear in the main navigation. If your window is narrow or you're on a smaller display, you may need to expand the menu or zoom out slightly to see it. Clicking this opens the broader configuration area for your account. Next, choose Account Settings. This is important because account-level settings control global features like data management, security, and exports. If you land on Personal Preferences by default, switch over to the Account-level section. You're looking for the area that manages how your CRM behaves for everyone, not just your individual profile. Once you're in, confirm you're viewing the Account Settings section itself. Depending on your layout, you might see a sidebar with multiple categories. Make sure the account-focused category is highlighted so you can access organization-wide tools. This is the right place for handling data-related tasks like exporting records. Now, click Export Data. This is the hub where Freshsales lets you prepare and download your CRM information, including leads. Opening Export Data brings you to the Export interface, where you can review what's available to export and proceed according to your organization's policies. If your tenant has large volumes of records, be aware that export preparation can take some time, and in some setups, you may receive a download link after the file is generated. To recap, you navigated from the Activities dashboard to the Settings menu, entered Account Settings, ensured you were in the correct account level section, and opened Export Data. From here, follow your standard operating procedures for exporting leads and storing them securely. As a best practice, handle exported files carefully, keep them in approved locations, and confirm that you're complying with your company's data and privacy requirements. That's it, you now know exactly where to go in Freshsales to export your leads.